Trent Boyett. How dare you wake me up with an air horn while I was sleeping? That's it. I'm calling Samantha and Super Plush about this. No 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 no. Please, don't call them.
Oh my god, Trent Boyett, how dare you wake up CatNap with an air horn? You know that he hates it when people blow air horns at him whenever he's asleep. That's it, you're grounded until the end of 2024.
This means you will be getting coal or nothing for Christmas this year. Also, no TV, no Xbox, and no hanging out with Shadow Tubby, Boris, Arthur, Joseph, Ghost Girl, Larry Loud, and others.
Get out of our sight, right now.